Is your bike rusty? Try this trick. Even 10-year-old rust disappears with just a few wipes. Rust on bikes is very common, especially after rain and humidity, and removing it can be quite difficult. This is a simple home remedy for rust, using ingredients you likely already have at home. Prepare a bowl and fill it with warm water. Then take some vinegar. Measure 1 cup and pour it into the bowl. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Its acid breaks down the rust structure and helps separate it from the metal. Sprinkle baking soda generously on the rusty spots, which reacts with the rust, loosens it, and makes it easier to remove. Take some aluminum foil. Tear off a small, comfortable piece and fold it. Dip it in the prepared mixture, then start rubbing the rust. After just a moment, you'll see it start to come off, revealing a clean surface. Even old rust will disappear with little effort. After a few wipes, the metal will look much better. This is one of the best natural rust removal methods that will restore your bike to great condition. Sprinkle baking soda generously over the fan. Then, scrub it thoroughly with a brush. Use a sponge to remove dirt more effectively, and finally take a toothbrush to clean hard-to-reach areas. This will help you get rid of all the built-up dust and grime. Now, prepare a larger bowl and pour in regular water. Add a small amount of toothpaste onto a spoon, mix it into the water, and stir until it dissolves. Then, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap, which effectively cuts through grease and helps remove dirt. Add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda to boost the cleaning power of the mixture. Pour in vinegar, which disinfects and eliminates unpleasant odors, and mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle and, using a funnel, pour the mixture into it, then close it. Spray the fan on one side and then the other. Place a trash bag over the fan and turn it on. All the dirt will be blown into the bag along with the water, leaving your fan perfectly clean. It's a simple way to clean a fan without taking it apart. Add this one ingredient, and your curtains will regain their snow-white brightness without the need for expensive bleaches. Prepare a large plastic bowl and add 3 generous tablespoons of baking soda, which effectively removes stains and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then add 2 tablespoons of white powder, my grandmother's secret, which enhances the cleaning effect and helps brighten fabrics. Now squeeze the juice from half a lemon, as it naturally whitens and refreshes the fabric. Add a little vinegar, which helps dissolve residues and restores freshness to the fabric. Pour in warm, boiled water and mix everything thoroughly until it dissolves. Then, place your gray curtains in the mixture and leave them for a while so the ingredients can work. After that, rinse them thoroughly and wash them as usual. The result is perfectly clean, bright curtains. My grandmother's secret ingredient is salt, which, combined with these natural ingredients, provides an excellent curtain whitening effect without using harsh chemicals. This is a natural way to whiten curtains, which works effectively and safely. Place the pillow in a trash bag and see what happens. Everyone knows that clean pillows are key to a good night's sleep. Despite using a pillowcase, yellow stains from sweat often appear, along with particles of skin and dust. Such a pillow quickly becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, fungi, and dust mites, leading to poor sleep and allergies. Pillows should be washed every few months. But what to do with them in the meantime? There's a simple way to refresh them in just a few minutes without the need for washing. Grab a trash bag, ensuring it's larger than the pillow you want to refresh. Also, get some baking soda ready. Place the pillow in the trash bag and sprinkle baking soda on it. Seal the bag and shake it to ensure the soda covers the entire pillow. Rotate the bag with the pillow on all sides. The soda needs to mix well in the bag, and when you peek inside, you'll see and feel the powder on the pillow's surface. Seal the bag again and leave it for several minutes. During this time, the soda will start working. Baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors and absorbs excess moisture. After a few minutes, take the pillow out of the bag. There will be a lot of soda on it. Grab a vacuum and use a clean attachment to vacuum the pillow thoroughly from both sides. This will leave the pillow free of contaminants that could negatively impact your health and sleep. Without washing, it will be refreshed. The unpleasant odor of sweat and moisture, even if slight, will disappear. Some stains will fade or vanish. Your sleep will significantly improve, and all it takes is a few minutes and a bit of baking soda. When guests are about to arrive, I sprinkle this on the carpet, and it's as good as new. It's a simple and cost-effective way to quickly refresh the carpet. You don't have to send it for a professional cleaning, and you don't need to use harmful chemicals. You can bring back its luster and fresh scent using a homemade method. And the best part is, it won't break the bank. Carpets accumulate dust and dirt. Even regular vacuuming doesn't clean them effectively. It becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, dust mites, and mold. That's when it starts to develop an unpleasant odor. And that's when you can quickly freshen it up. This method works for all types of carpets, even the soft, long pile ones by the bed. This homemade and eco-friendly carpet cleaning solution will also get rid of dust mites and eliminate mold spores. It deters ants and even bed bugs. The unpleasant smell of staleness and dirt will vanish. Before you quickly freshen any carpet at home, make sure to vacuum it thoroughly first. Then reach for a household item from your kitchen cabinet that will tackle the bad odor, dust mites, mold, and even bed bugs. You can use it as often as you like. Just sprinkle it over the carpet. It's good to distribute it evenly, so you can use a sieve if you want. Then spread it across the entire carpet with a clean broom or brush. The magic ingredient here is baking soda. It will not only eliminate the bad smell and various organisms that may have settled in, but also refresh the colors and clean away minor stains. How do you clean your carpet? A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle, and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month, and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh.